Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about Google Cloud Next 2026, the wrap up, what the new things announced and what are the new product announced that I have created one high level mind map that you can able to easily remember all these product. So now let's to check the Google Cloud Next 2026 recap. Here as you can see the high level mind map, so I'll explain from the top-down approach, so it will be better to understand like the product-wise, right? So the first things, first the key innovation, what the area covered in the Google Cloud Next, Agentic Era, Agentic Enterprise Blueprint, and Agentic Enterprise Agent Platform, Gemini Enterprise App, AI Infrastructure, AI Hypercomputer, Agentic Defense, I mean in cyber security area, Agentic Data Cloud, AI Native, and Agentic Task Force like Workspace Intelligence. And in the AI hypercomputer, 8th generation TPU launched, and these are the key innovation which announced in the Google Cloud Next. So if I'll expand little bit more the product wise, like Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, what all are is involved in this area. As you can see, if we'll go through and remember easily what is coming under the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. And similarly, if I'll talk about the AI model platform and agent, Gemini Enterprise, in the Gemini Enterprise like agent designer, skills project, Canva, and all these high level like cross platform unified intelligence, all these at the point you just remember and will check it out, and the Google and the document, official document is available. But the here is the good thing to how you can able to remember all these thing, and based on that you'll find. And the AI ecosystem in agent gallery, lots of third party company also created a agent, and agent gallery you can get the other company agent like Accenture, Adobe, and Deloitte, Oracle, Palo Alto Network. These are the company and many more have created a agent. Agent gallery, you can go and check the agent. And similarly, the 8th generation processing unit, TPU 8T, TPU 8i, intense RL and training, and native PyTorch support. All these the TPU and Google Distributed Cloud (GDC), the Nvidia Blackwell GPU, new machine families, and enhanced storage, right? And similarly, if we talk about compute engine instance, all these new instance, all these the processor, what the new thing is upgraded, that you can just check it out, and that is the list which is created in the mind map. And similarly, the HyperDX improvement, what area improved in the HyperDX, Gemini Cloud Assist, what new area involved like MCP server and redesign application, design center, all these new things, available. Google Cloud Management Interface, as you can see, app-centric visibility, app lifecycle manager, FinOps extensibility agent, spend caps, all these are the new things, right? And if I'll talk about the Agentic Data Cloud, as you can see, Agentic Data Cloud, knowledge catalog, deep research, and zero copy federation, Looker ML agent, like many more. This is the listed here. You can check it out and remember and work on it. Similarly, if I'll talk about the cross cloud lake house, the BigLake, and these are the things already listed. You can just go and check and read out. Data agent kit, similarly data science agent, data engineering agent, database onboarding and observability agent, conversational agent. And if I'll talk about database portfolio, in the database side, Spanner, Omni, Spanner, Columnar Engine, all this tool you can check it out here. And if I'll talk about BigQuery capability, lot of new things in added in the BigQuery. You can check out here. Similarly, the Looker Business Intelligence is nothing but now Data Studio. Formerly Looker Studio is called Data Studio. Similarly, the new things is also added. You just check it out in Cloud Run also. Yeah, if I'll talk about in Cloud Run, as you can see, all these Cloud Run new things added: manage remote MCP server, Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform integration, Nvidia RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell GPU and billing caps, sandbox, SSH access, all these new things added in the Cloud Run. If I'll talk about the application development and runtime platform, these are the things like Cloud Run and Firebase. Firebase new things added. SQL Connect and then Application Design Center integration, Firestore Enterprise Edition, AI Logic, and all these things like newly added. You can check it out. And the Kubernetes Engine also new things added. A rapid model loading, scaling on the custom metrics, RL sandbox, all these things you newly added. And if I'll talk about cross cloud network enhancement, in this the networking things, new things like added in the network, agent gateway partnership and service binding, network service monitoring, all these new things added in the networking itself. Hybrid subnet and Google Cloud number registry, Agentic IPAM. As you can see, all these networking things, and then the global front end, what all are thing newly added. One cloud, one also what new things added. On the customer side, our customers already developed the agent that is also highlighted here, and the network connectivity center NCC, what the new things, and AI powered networking security like a cloud armor, adaptive protection, cloud armor, visual ruler builder, cloud NGFW internal app, project level policy, all that new things, cloud armor managed rules, all those things is listed here. You just remember and check it out, and documentation is available in the Google Cloud environment. You check it out, like Gemini Enterprise for the customer enterprise, like shopping agent, food ordering agent, omni-channel gateway, agent assistance, all these. And all the partner, like what innovation done, that is listed. And if I'll talk about security stuff, in the security area, what the new things added in this platform, just you can check it out and go through it, right? And if I'll talk about the storage, in the storage side also lots of new innovation already added, so you check and you just start learning on this. And if I'll talk about startup, in the startup, what for the startup company, what all things are already available, that you can go and use that if you are a startup company. Similarly, the workspace intelligence, ask me Gemini in chat. In workspace, lots of new things also added. So that's already added here in the mind map. So without further delay, what you do, go just go and check it out here and this video, and find and remember all these new announcement in the Google Cloud platform, Google Cloud environment. So it will helpful to easily track which area you are, and then based on that you start exploring on this the new things how you can add it into your project. So I think this mind map will be really helpful and to remember all these the key things announced in Google Cloud Next. So I hope this video will be helpful for you to remember all these new things in this in the mind map diagram. So this is all about this video. If you want this mind map, I'll if you ping DM me, I'll send it to you in the your inbox. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.